My teddy bear. I've got a very beautiful gift in my birthday. That was a teddy bear. One day I have lost my teddy bear. First I looked for it on my bed. It was not there. Next, I looked for it in my toy box. It was not there. Then I looked for it on my table. It was not there. Finally, I got my teddy bear was by the top. It's question time. What did the kid got in her birthday? The options are teddy bear, Barbie doll. The answer is teddy bear. What did the kid lose? The options are football, teddy bear. The answer is teddy bear. Where did the kid look for her teddy bear first? The options are table, bed. The answer is bed. Was the teddy bear on the table? The options are yes, no. The answer is no. Where was the teddy bear? The options are tub, mud. The answer is tub. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.